Hi everyone. Today I'm going to present our airline which is called Cıelo. Our ICAO code is ELCL and IATA code is EC. And our slogan is National Bird Welcoming Everyone. Today's outline will consist of executive summary, final analysis, route profitability and network, fuel consumption, business canvas model, and key success versus key failures. We decided to have hybrid business model which consists of both low cost and full service model. At the beginning, we chose Madrid and Barcelona as a base, then later on we added Amsterdam to our portfolio. And our fleet consists of 45 Boeing aircrafts and 4 Airbus aircrafts. On the last batch, we managed to flew into 65 destinations. Some of the most profitable routes were the Boston, New York, Moscow, and Tokyo. We also started our cargo operations to New York area. On the last batch, we managed to capture 96.5% load factor and 90.3% on-time performance. These were the all-time high numbers for our company throughout the simulation. Additionally, we had more than 7% of the market and carried more than 2.2 million passengers. Cumulatively, we managed to transport more than 9 million passengers, captured almost a 61% load factor and a 7.67% market share. By the end of the simulation, we flew to a total of 124 sectors. We have reached out to Europe, North America, Middle East and Asia Pacific regions. And our company's main focus was the passenger operations from the very beginning. We figured out that there were two major things to consider between profitable and unprofitable routes. Long-haul routes are more profitable than short hauls, and higher load factor means higher revenue. Unfortunately, we lost a lot of money on the cargo route between Amsterdam and Newark due to failure of obtaining cargo infrastructure equipment. Fuel cost is one of the most important factors to consider while operating flights. When you look at the graph on the left, you can see the fuel cost that Cıelo obtained after every single batch. And on the right graph, you can see the overall and market average for fuel costs. By lowering our fuel cost to $3.87, Cıelo Airlines managed to go below industry average on the last batch. Throughout the simulation, we did not change our business canvas model at all. For our value proposition, we concentrated on providing low-cost services for short-haul flights and full services for long-haul routes. Additionally, we tried to operate direct flights almost every day. On the other hand, our main customer types were the leisure travelers, students, VFRs, and business class travelers. Lastly to mention, as a success, we increased our on-time performance to 93% on the last batch. Additionally, the diversity of our route network and overall profit that Cıelo Airlines generated by finishing the competition on the third place. Some failures we found after discussing among team members were forgetting the renewal of aircraft leases, fleet age of 6.98, and low percentage of load factor, which is 60%. Thank you for listening. Feel free to ask if you have any questions.